In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide participants on Google Meet, which is a useful skill if you want to minimize distractions during virtual meetings. So let's dive right in and explore the options you have at your disposal on Google Meet today. It's important to clarify up front that as of 2025, Google Meet doesn't provide a built-in feature to completely hide participants, but don't worry, there are ways to adjust your screen display to effectively manage visual clutter. You can utilize a handy feature known as Spotlight Mode, which helps focus on the speaker by hiding the video thumbnails of other participants. If you're using Google Meet on a desktop, Spotlight View is your best friend. It's designed to highlight only the current speaker, thereby minimizing visual distractions and giving you a cleaner view of the meeting. Here's how you can set it up. When you're in a meeting, move your attention to the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll notice 3 vertical dots, which is essentially your gateway to more options. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu. Within this menu, look for the option that says Change Layout. Select this option and you'll be presented with different layout choices. What you want to do is select Spotlight Layout. By doing so, the screen will then focus specifically on the active speaker and other participant thumbnails will be hidden. This feature is especially beneficial in scenarios where the meeting content requires intense concentration, or if you simply prefer to have a minimalist view. Now, it's crucial to acknowledge that as of 2025, there isn't a direct Hide Participants button on Google Meet. However, by leveraging the layout settings, you can reduce clutter and center your attention on the speaker or the main presentation smoothly. Remember, these adjustments do not affect what others see in the meeting, they only modify what you view on your screen. To recap, while Google Meet may not have explicitly designed functionalities to hide participants entirely, using the Spotlight mode is an efficient workaround. It allows you to sustain an organized, streamlined visual environment conducive to productive online meetings. I hope that clears things up and helps enhance your future Google Meet experiences. Thank you for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and guides. See you next time.